This video should be used in combination with the installation instructions provided with your HYDRO-BLOK products. If you have any questions, contact your HYDRO-BLOK representative before you start installation. Start by creating a template for your parts and using it to transfer all cut lines to your building board. Use a jigsaw to make the radius cuts on the HYDRO-BLOK building board. A utility knife can be used to finish or clean up any cuts. Use a circular saw to make any straight cuts. Use the top of the bench to determine where the apex of the radius is. Mark the areas to be curved on each side of the bench top. Mark the board and create saw kerfs on the inside of each radius so that the kerfs can collapse when installed to form the curve. Saw kerfs should be cut to 3/4 of the thickness of the board. The distance between each kerf can vary depending on the amount of bend desired. We recommend performing a test on scrap material to determine your needs. Test fit the top of the bench and make any final adjustments and cuts. Complete the installation of your shower pan and wallboard before assembling your bench. All seams and screws should be covered with HYDRO-BLOK joint sealant as per instructions. Dry fit all bench components. Apply HYDRO-BLOK joint sealant as needed to all edges and surfaces to adhere parts in place. Apply HYDRO-BLOK joint sealant to all vertical seams and smooth out with the corner putty knife as per instructions. Apply HYDRO-BLOK joint sealant and mesh tape to exposed wall floor joints per the instructions included with your shower pan. To install the bench top, first apply HYDRO-BLOK joint sealant to all base components and the shower walls. Position the bench top, applying pressure to hold it in place until the sealant cures enough to provide sufficient grab. Apply HYDRO-BLOK joint sealant to all exposed seams per instructions. All exposed kerfs must be finished with fiberglass mesh embedded in thinset. Before tiling, install a liquid waterproofing membrane to the entire area per the manufacturer's instructions. HYDRO-BLOK, the better shower system. Visit us online at hydroblock.com.